I just took a picture looking down the river. You saw, or you will see. But look at this. How beautiful is that? Just pulled over to let that van, you might be able to see past me, so we can take our time and take it all in. Beautiful. It tells you the mountains, not that you can see them. There's a nice fishery going on down there, I think. Looking across, yeah, you can see the fish traps, fish farm. Let's just go over. That was over here. Yes, at last it's brightening up, which is what we want, because we've got the Bealach to come, which wouldn't be very good if it's in the mist and cloud and you couldn't see anything. It'd be a shame. I'm not saying it's, you know, still a chance for that to happen. Fingers crossed there won't be. It's a single track road, 7.5 miles I think, if I'm not mistaken, up and down. Plenty of passing places though. Big camper vans are not allowed to go because they won't negotiate the hairpin bends. How beautiful is this? Nice little fishing village up on this single track road. Just pulled over. There we go. At least it's cleared up now. Okay, so we've just come down the Bealach. Couldn't see the thing. Well, you can see the road, but the views was nothing. Win some, lose some. I don't know if that's a new dam or something they're building down there. Just seeing the murk. And here's another bend going into all that. So no photos, unfortunately. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Back down where we can see, we're just on the Bealach, coming around the bridge there. You're faced with a beautiful waterfall up there. Fantastic autumn colours. Shame we couldn't see anything up on the Bealach, but there you go. Like we said, you cannot have everything. Look at that though. Really beautiful. Nice. Nice view. There's a nice white house. You just see through. Yeah, I think you can just about see it. There. Beautiful. Welcome to Plockton, our stopover for this evening. It's regarded as one of the most picturesque little villages in Scotland, or in the Highlands of Scotland certainly. Excuse me. And you can see why. Look at that island in the middle, full of trees. So picturesque. And the tide is right out at the moment. It's part of actually Loch Carron when you think about it. A little bit of a wild garden going on. Nice. Just come to Eilean Donan Castle. Beautiful scenery, nice weather, nice low cloud, fantastic, beautiful reflections. As you can see, it's very busy. Tourists, different languages, and you've still got that low cloud. Look at that reflection, fantastic. Inside Eilean Donan Castle courtyard, pair of cannons. Another one over here. Got that sun. There's Glenateve. We're just walking down the road to find a nice composition by the river. This is a honey pot spot, as you can see. Glenateve in the background in front of these lovely cascades. I'll try and get some photos. Thank goodness for people removing Photoshop. Everybody can enjoy what we see then. But it's very harsh sunlight. There's none of that low cloud. That would have been fantastic, but you can't have everything. As we go here, and as you see, this is a beautiful spot. This is a slightly different angle from the side that you've seen before. So there we have it. One of the honeypots for me for this one. Hope you enjoyed it.